Hi, welcome to Clueless Chef. Today I want to make some spicy fried chicken and two things. One, I'm terrified of frying food always. And second, I'm hoping I can make the heat not crazy. Let's go. We first want to make the batter for our chicken since we are going to marinate it for 2 to 4 hours. That is a long time and a lot of patience. Let's go make the batter. Why isn't it stopping? All right, let those chicken tenders marinate away in the fridge for at least 2 to 4 hours. In the meantime, let's make our flour mixture for the breading. And then it's just really the waiting game before we fry. And in that meantime, if you'd like, you could make some coleslaw and have some bread for the side. I'm not gonna show it in the video, but let's go make that flour. All right, welcome back. 2 hours later. I am now going to heat up my oil and put my chicken into the flour and deep fry it. Wish me luck. Smells delicious. Hoping it cooked through. Fingers crossed. I have my little sandwich that I'm gonna make. It's cooked. Oh, so good. Love it. I'm so happy. It's so tender. Listen to this crunch. Yay! Always forgetting what I'm saying. So the first thing, man, I don't want to say so. First, it's so hard not to say so. Our batter, no. We want to first, we first want to 2 to 4 hours. So put your chicken tenders, blah, 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 blah. Let that blow. It never ceases to amaze me that I can never, ever get this right. Sweating. To make the flour mixture for the breading,